Hey, how's it going everybody? It's Ahmed here at Dash Truck Colorado Springs location with another walk around video. If you like to stay up to date on our inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you are watching, well, drop us a like. Today walk arounds for 2020 Ford Transit 250 all-wheel drive. It does have an 11-foot 7-inch box with the glass holders. And it has two slide doors on the side. This truck has 161,000 miles. Backup camera for safety. Here at Dash Trucks, our vehicles are fully reconned. What we mean when we say that, we go through the suspension, braking, the engine, and the transmission component, and we make sure that everything is working as desired. It has a toolbox on the side too. Checking on the interior, it's been fully detailed, interior, exterior, and under the hood. Let's turn it up. Pretty smooth start, no lights on the dash. As it is all-wheel drive, it does have a different driving mode. Looking at the engine here, it does have 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine with 10-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Alright, wrapping up this walk around, if you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, the link to our website will be in the description where you can view our full listing as well as our phone number. As always, thank you very much for watching and have a great one.